Hey, it's Tony at Smart Toyota Tips. Hey, in today's video, a really great looking 2021 Toyota Land Cruiser. Man, this is an awesome vehicle. Land Cruiser's been around a long time and the quality is second to none. So this particular one is a standard Land Cruiser. Midnight Black Metallic is the color. So everything you see on here is standard, including these awesome LED headlights, daytime running lights, and turn signals, LED fog lights. The interior, full leather interior, memory power seat with wood trim accents on the dash, brushed aluminum throughout. Factory power sliding moonroof, of course standard. Beautiful center stack, 4-spoke leather wrapped and wood wrapped steering wheel, standard on the Land Cruiser. Driver's seat, 10-way power driver's seat. Back seat again with the wood trim on the door, brushed aluminum. JBL speakers on the upper door, lower door. Heated seats in the back. This is the 3-passenger bench seat. Folds down 60/40 with the folding armrest. Temperature controls in the back, automatic temperature controls, heated seat controls. It's a quick look at the driver's cockpit. Once again, the sunroof up above, map lights up above. Back seats here fold down and make it easy for you to get into the back seat. The third row holds 3 passengers, 2 adults, 3 children more likely. Mostly fold up and tuck up against the doorway. Heading into the trunk here, I've got the seat folded down. You can see how much room you have, the length, the overall length in the back. So 1 seat up, 1 seat down. Heating and air conditioning, 12-volt power outlets in the back. JBL sound system, and your all-weather floor mats. The all-weather floor mats are an extra charge, $318. Back into the back seat here, bottle holders on the doors. Seats completely folded down. You can see that rear passenger seat. Like I say, plenty of room for smaller children. Wouldn't recommend adults back there for a long ride. Passenger assist grip right there makes it easy to get up. Factory running boards. As we head into the passenger, we've got a full power seat on the passenger side, illuminated Land Cruiser thresholds, so kind of an LED light, backlit threshold, adjustable headrest up front, side impact airbags. Here's our center console. A lot of that nice brushed aluminum trim throughout, carries over into the door handle as well. Got a standard roof rack up on top, LED indicators in the mirrors, big bold grille up front, some nice chrome trim down along the lower part of the door there, runs all the way across. That tailgate's kind of unique because it opens in a clamshell style. The top of the tailgate is power actuated, and then the bottom is manual, but you can see it opens up nice and clear. It gives you some space for tailgating and such across the back. So that's a look at the 2021 Toyota Land Cruiser Midnight Black Metallic, black leather interior. Thanks for watching.